I mean, the color looks really good with this, I think, even though you can't see it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am playing with the mini breaker. I am using this today, and I did use 7 out of 9 of the colors. The ones I did not use was this beautiful brown here and this mustard shade. But I will go ahead and show you guys some swatches live. So let's see here. I think, yeah, I'm gonna do Slice Oral. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do Orange Crush. And I mean, Hot Fudge is a beautiful brown, so I'm gonna do that one too. Here they are. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Some extras that I did use the Suva Beauty Hydraliner in Gold Digger, which is a really pretty gold. And then I did use Stila shade Mystere in Spiritual, which is also a really pretty gold, and I used that on my inner corner and just to highlight the very center. And then on my lower lash line, which is starting to fall out of my cheeks, I used Terra Moon's Cosmetics in Daredevil. But I did do swatches on this palette. I believe I already showed them, but just in case, I'm going to show them again. They were reposted by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it was retweeted by Jeffree Star, so I'm really proud of the mini breaker swatches. And if you guys would like to see, my eyelash is falling off, it does not like me. If you guys would like to see this look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and do kind of maybe a, what do you think, like an oranger kind of blush. Oranger is not a word, but whatever, it is today. I'm gonna do Champagne Dream. It's kind of like a peach pink, and it's from Becca, and I actually don't know if I've used this before. I think it'll look really pretty with this actually. You can't really see this. This blends right in with my skin. It is very subtle, but I mean, the color looks really good with this, I think, even though you can't see it. For lipstick, I am going in with Alijah Storm Cosmetics, and the color is Trisha. It is a really beautiful mauve-y purple color, and I think it looks super beautiful with this look. Alright, you guys, there is the final look. I absolutely love it. I love these colors together. Ow. I feel like a sunrise or a sunset. Which one has purple in it? So that is all I have for this, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!